know. There's a lot to this. Okay, it's proud. It's not jealous, boastful, or proud, or rude. Oof. I'm kind of rude sometimes.
I feel like
I don't think that's rude. Like, I'm talking rude in a way where it's like, I don't do it on purpose. Like a fart, a burp.
I mean,
it just comes out.
Literally.
Like sometimes we'll just, that's it too. We'll just be like right now, I feel the need to burp. I'm just holding it in, but I know because I'm trying to hold it in, it'll just come out sometime. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me. But no, it's because, again, it's the energy drinks or whatever I eat. Dude, I can literally drink like half a bottle of water and I'm gassy. I don't know why I'm like that. It's just the way it is. Are you holding in your breath? Ooh, it doesn't smell. No, when you burp, it don't smell.
Yes, it does.
It does smell.
Yeah, depending on what I drink or ate.
Yeah, I'll be like...
Everyone. Why would you intentionally do that?